Hello and welcome to How to Play FreeCell, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover the general concepts and different aspects of the card game FreeCell. To play, you will need a standard 52 card deck. FreeCell is set up by creating 8 columns of cards all face up. All 52 cards are used in the columns. The first 4 columns will have one more card than the other 4 columns. The object of the game is to stack all of the cards on the foundation piles for each suit. There are 4 foundation piles. Each foundation pile is started by the ace of each suit and is built up to the king in each suit. During gameplay, cards can move around in 3 ways. There are 4 free cells and 1 card can be moved to each free cell as needed. A card can be moved back onto a column from the free cell when possible. Within the 8 columns, cards can move onto other cards if the card being moved is 1 number lower than the card it is being moved to, and is a different color. For example, a red 4 can be placed on a black 5, and a red 5 can be moved on a black 6. Cards can also be moved to the foundation piles. As mentioned earlier, the ace of each suit begins a foundation pile. When the next highest number is available, it can be added to its suit's foundation pile. Cards continue to move in these 3 ways with the goal of getting every card to the foundation piles. Skipping ahead, when all the cards have been moved to the foundation piles, the game is won. A card can only be stacked on a card that is a different color and 1 number higher. When one of the 8 columns is empty, any card can be moved into the open space. If there are no more moves that can be made from the piles and the free cells are full, the game is lost. That wraps up How to Play FreeCell. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.